doing here?
How are you, mate?
I'm alright, bro. How are you?
You good?
Why don't you come out with me and my mates? What about tomorrow night?
I don't know, mate.
You aren't living here, you might as well. It'll be top.
All right. I'll come.
Good stuff.
Adam, what are they like, your mates? Are they all right?
Oh, they're mint, mate. Best set of guys ever.
Hey, check it out!
My brother Jamie, he's gonna stay the night, alright?
Sit down, sit the fuck down!
I'm freezing, baby.
Pretty warm in the tent.
That was out of order. Who the fuck asked for your opinion?
Must be the musician, eh? No, what the fuck are you doing?
Fuck you, you little slag!
It doesn't matter, if I get in town, eh? Been chatting shit about me? That's what I've heard.
I don't care anymore! I've been wanting you to fuck off all night.
Just gotta give him a chance.
What the hell are you doing?
Big mistake, mate.
This is my territory. You're not wanted here. Someone help!
Can anyone see a giant fucking purple banana over there?
Nah, Stoney.
Nah. Me neither.